what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna playing obby but you are bird. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's play it. So we start in level 1. We're gonna go faster. Wow. It's not like a bird, it's more like duck. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's next. Okay, I'm not I don't know what I say. Today I'm sick. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Let's go easy. Next. Oh, over there, I guess. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, speed run. Okay, double speed. For a second, or I don't know, second or minutes, I finally know how to get out of here. So let's go right up there. Let's go up there. I don't know how much time. Oh no. Oh shit. This is gonna be so long. Shit. Here we go again. Whoa, whoa, no, no. Oh shit, stupid. No, now I'm here, and let's go. Now we at checkpoint 2. Caution spike. I don't know. It's just a spike, so don't be so scared. This is pro. I never die, I guess. Come on. No. Oh no. But this is what we want, I guess. Come on. Whee. I'm the fastest. No. Oh shit. Oh, I died. Oh. Okay, come on guys. Maybe I gonna make a video part 2. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.